In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Smartsheet password. Whether you're taking security precautions or simply updating your credentials, this is an essential skill for managing your account effectively. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together for changing your Smartsheet password safely and effortlessly. To begin, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. This is your starting point, and I'm sure you're already familiar with accessing Smartsheet by using your current email address and password. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the profile icon. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's usually represented by a little circle that might show your initials, or maybe even a picture. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to accessing your account settings. Now that you've clicked on your profile, you'll see an option called Personal Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section is designed to give you control over your personal information and security settings. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with these options, as there may be other settings here that could capture your interest for future adjustments. Once you've accessed the personal settings, navigate over to the Profile tab. This is where you'll find the option to change your password. With your profile open, you'll want to click on Change Password. This step initiates the password change process and will direct you to the page where you'll enter your new password details. You'll notice fields popping up where you need to enter your information. First, type in your current password in the designated field. This acts as a security measure to verify your identity and ensure that it's you making these changes. Now comes the time to think carefully about crafting a strong new password. Go ahead and enter your new password in the appropriate field. It's essential to make it unique and robust. Consider combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create something that is hard to guess. Once you've entered your new password, Smartsheet will prompt you to confirm it. This means you'll need to type your new password again in the confirmation field. It's an additional safeguard to ensure you haven't made any typos and you're confident about the password you want to use. Finally, after verifying all the details and ensuring everything's correct, click Save. This is the crucial step that finalizes your password change. A quick tip: it's wise to jot down your new password in a secure place, or even better, use a password manager to keep track of it safely. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to change your password on Smartsheet. Regularly updating your passwords is an excellent way to protect your personal information and keep your account secure. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.